so desire.
Okay.
Well,
The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a tornado warning for northwestern Burlington County in southern New Jersey, southeastern Bucks County in southeastern Pennsylvania, northeastern Philadelphia County in southeastern Pennsylvania, till 7:30 p.m. At 7:06 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Feasterville, Rose, or 11 miles northeast of Philadelphia, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Philadelphia, Bensalem, Willingboro, Florence, Burlington, Bristol, Riverside, Bordentown, Beverly, Uptown, Leghorn, Feasterville, Rose, Florence, Woking, Northeast Philadelphia, Feasterville, Jacksonville, Andalusia, Leghorn, Levittown, and Edgewater Park. This includes the following highways: New Jersey Turnpike between exits 5 and 6A. Pennsylvania Turnpike between mile markers 349 and 359. Interstate 95 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 31 and 40. Interstate 295 in New Jersey between mile markers 43 and 57. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 7:30 p.m. for the following counties in Pennsylvania, Philadelphia, and Burlington, New Jersey.